Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Focusing a microscope is crucial for obtaining a clear image. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Turn on your microscope and place the slide on the stage. 2. Start with the lowest power objective lens. 3. Use the coarse focus knob to get your sample into general focus. 4. Fine-tune the clarity of your image using the fine focus knob. 5. Adjust the diaphragm for the best light. 6. If needed, switch to a higher power objective lens and refocus, primarily using the fine focus. This methodical approach ensures a sharp, detailed view of your specimen.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.